everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is Chongqing small noodles called Chongqing Xiao Mian. The reason why it is called small noodles may be because it originally only had seasonings and no meat, or it may be because it can be found everywhere and can be eaten in a short time. Chongqing people like it, second only to hot pot. Let's get started. Prepare 150 grams of noodles, preferably handmade thin noodles. 2 cloves of garlic, chopped. 8 grams of scallion, chopped. 1 baby bok choy, break it open. Look at other seasonings. 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1/2 tablespoon of chili oil, 1 teaspoon of lard, 1/2 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. Combine all the seasonings in a big bowl, except scallion chopped. Add 200 milliliters of hot water. Set aside. Heat a pot of water, bring to a boil. Blanch the baby bok choy first. Fish out. Then boil the noodles. Until cooked through, about 3 minutes. Transfer to the bowl with seasoning mixture. Top with baby bok choy and scallion chopped. Spicy and fragrant noodles are ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.